This is stage 2 of the Sangraal. That's how it looks. It's empty inside now. I messed up a little, but I think I could still fix it. Basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put iron filings in it. And if you see it in the series Stargate SG1, when they put it between the machine, it floats. I remember a long time ago I used to see when I would go into a store, I'm not gonna mention name because that's their problem. I'm not advertising for them. When I would go into the store, they had this magnetic globe, and basically it was two coils pulling on the magnetic globe, and it would make it float. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna make it with iron filing. This stuff right here, I'm gonna experiment first, because you see this right here, this rust, and rust can be used to create red. And because what's going inside, it's gonna be oil, it won't let it rust more. But I gotta make sure I put the right calculations of this, because if I overdo it, it's just gonna cover the entire light spectrum that's gonna be looking through it. It was probably they were shining something at it, I don't know, like a UV light or something. But this is stage 2, so if you like this video, press like, subscribe to my channel. This is Luis Martinez. Leave a comment.